how to close Stash account. Hi everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can close your Stash account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first of all, I want to show you an article from Stash. This is going to let us know that if you try to cancel your Stash subscription or plan, by doing that, you're going to cancel your account as well. So this is the same process as if you would be trying, to cancel your subscription. So what you must do, as you can see here, you must cancel your plan and follow the prompts to close your account. So you must go into your profile. Here in the top right corner, you're gonna find the profile icon. And there in this left menu, you're going to find manage plan option. You just have to scroll down until you find cancel my plan. You must start your cancellation and they walk you through the necessary steps to close your accounts. So I'm going to begin the process. They're going to process my request, closing in process. You must view the statements and documents. By now, I guess I don't need to do that. So the closing is in process. And if I go back into that same part into my profile and then into manage plan, as you can see, my Stash subscription will be cancelled on December 30. So this is the date and I don't have any other button for that. Perhaps this is going to have more steps if you have some investments here and you have some movements in your platform. But by now, this is how you can close your Stash account. Thanks for watching.